So Niko's chromatic dancehall for a cause shut down early by police. And God know I expected this. I'm going to explain why I expected this in this video. But first I'm going to read the story. Niko's chromatic benefit concert Dancehall for a Cause saw an outpouring of support from the dancehall community at the Triple Center Car Park, New Kingston on Saturday night. Proceeds of the event will go towards Niko's chromatic surgery for kidney alignment. However, as the party was in full swing some minutes after 3 a.m. on Sunday, the security forces pulled the plug on the proceedings, upsetting the patrons. Officer, this is a charity event, you know, see. You can't lock it off like that, one person pleaded with the cops as the crowd hung around for minutes, awaiting a resumption which didn't materialize. Under the Noise Amendment Act, events held on weekends should end by 2 a.m. A visibly shaken Niko Chromatic declined an interview. However, Niko's friend and co-worker Crept Chromatic of the Chromatic Sound System was grateful for the support. Crept thanked all who assisted in the cause and hoped that the event met its target for Niko's treatment. As the saying goes, it takes cash to cure, Dave, a patron at the Dancehall for a Cause, told, as he and his friends stocked up on high-end liquor before the shutdown. We are doing our part and others have to come around or come on board. I hope the organizers achieved their goal, he said. It's kind of sad what happened to Niko over the past year, and I hope he will get well and come back to us in good health, another supporter said. The musical presentation were teamed by Skella, Illusion Sound, ZJ Liquid, and DJ Mac. The selectors for the night said that they love the unity in dancehall, as artists, disc jocks, promoters, and fans of the genre came out in numbers to show support to one of their stalwarts, who is in urgent need of help. Artists who attended the event include Version, Bogle, Tommy Lee, and his Proton crew, Tonto Blocks. Niko's chromatic medical care will cost US $60,000 before the concert. US $23,000 has been raised. The reporter that Niko had been diagnosed with renal failure in July of 2015. He has end-stage renal disease and need a transplant, as both of his kidneys have failed. A GoFundMe account established in August last year quickly reached almost $20,000 in donations. And this is why I have a problem with the police officers in dancehall shutting down dancehall parties like this, especially the ones like this that's actually for something good. When these promoters or when these other people do parties in Jamaica that are not dancehall based, whether it's hip hop or soca or carnival, no one shuts those parties down. Last year, carnival was kept on a Sunday. They partied until the wee hours of the morning. Nobody didn't call about disturbance then. Nobody didn't call saying that they needed to sleep for work. Nobody said anything. I guess the police phones were disconnected on that particular day, or people just didn't make any phone calls to the police. But when it's a high city party or a high city promoter promoting a specific party in an uptown place or an uptown promoter, then the party is fine. Then they can go well beyond 2 a.m. in the morning with no complaints and police not come shut you off. But when it's dancehall music and dancehall people supporting one another, supporting each other, you see how these police officers come out in numbers and try to disrupt these parties and disrupt what these people are trying to accomplish. And it's sad to say that soca music is considered better in Jamaica rather than our real music that comes from Jamaica, rather than our reggae and our dancehall music. They rather have soca music and soca parties play at Jamaica than our own music, and it's sad. It's really sad and disheartening. And I would never go to a party in. No, I'm really imploring our men to actually take care of themselves and their bodies and don't take what they do for granted, or the people that they have around them for granted. Don't do the heap of smoking thing. Don't do the heap of drinking thing. Do everything in abundance, okay? Do everything accordingly. You can drink here and there and party here and there, but no party every day and no drink every day. It's not healthy for you. And when people always tell you, say, you need to go to a doctor, and you need to actually take care of yourself, you always talk about no one go to a doctor, no alright and all that. And then stuff like this happens and it goes untreated and people die suddenly. But I'm imploring all of my demand them out there, especially Jamaican man them, to actually take care of themselves and their health. Put their health first. Okay? Because that's what matters in the long run. Your health and your family and everybody will have around you. Big up to Niko. I hope he actually made enough money to cover his surgery and everything that he has going on. Big up to all the people that will actually go out and support him. Big up to everybody that's involved in Dancehall for a Cause. I'm gonna drop some info in the description box and drop some info at the end of this video if you want to donate, if you want to give to a good cause. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube.